What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Today we are talking about a very super cool fruit, the star fruit. So, the star fruit, or the carambola, is a sweet or sour fruit that looks like a star when you cut into it. Said to have originated in parts of Indonesia, such as Sri Lanka and the Moluccas Islands, the carambola tree can be found in most parts around the world, but especially in humid subtropical climates like South Asia and Australia. Did you know the tree blossoms several times a year, but the fruit is only harvested twice a year? Starfruit have a wax-like skin that is totally edible, and depending on the variety, might either be sweet or tart. Their sizes are said to range between 2 to 6 inches or 5 to 15 centimeters long. Among the two categories of sweet and sour or sweet and tart, you have a bunch of varieties, such as the Golden Star, Phuong Tung, Kerry, and Wubuntu. Star fruits can be eaten raw, maybe raw with a little salt on it. You can dry them, pickle, add them to savory dishes, and juice them. In just one medium-sized star fruit, you will find 28 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of carbs. But let's not forget, starfruit also contains vitamin C, vitamin B5, copper, potassium, and magnesium. So with all that great stuff, are there any side effects? Well, no and yes. Those with kidney problems might want to avoid eating starfruit regularly. It may lead to kidney damage. Do you take prescription drugs? Similar to grapefruit, a starfruit may alter the way a drug is broken down and used by your body. One of the reasons for this may just be starfruit's high oxalate content. What is oxalate? Let me tell you. Oxalate is an organic compound that is found in plants and can also be produced by our own bodies. For most people, once oxalate binds with minerals to create compounds like calcium oxalate, they usually just go down the toilet. But for a few sensitive people, some doctors believe that a high oxalate diet is actually linked to a higher increased risk of kidney stones and some of the issues I mentioned before. But enough about that. Let's talk about the good stuff. Starfruit can help in preventing inflammation. It's good for your heart. They may help in fighting diabetes and high cholesterol. Starfruit may also aid in better digestion, metabolism, and skin. Well, that's all I have for you this week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. If you click right over here, or you click right over here, these are 2 other fruit videos from Edible Knowledge just for you. You're welcome. Okay guys, I'm Andre. That was Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. And I'll see you in the next video.